Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about Instagram analytics. So, if you're new to Instagram or you've been using Instagram for some time but you're not sure what are the Instagram analytics on your account saying about your post and your content, here is my account. And if you look at the button right here in the middle, just below my Linktree link, it says professional dashboard. 424 accounts reached in the last 30 days. You can tap on that. Reach is unique. Impressions are multiple counts. So if I have 10 followers that saw my post, a single post that I posted yesterday, 3 times, it's considered 30 impressions, but 10 reach because reach is a unique insight. So 424 accounts reach, you can tap on it. This is a 30 days insight. You could tap on that and change it to 90 days if you like and update. And you would see that I have 1,318 accounts reach in the last 90 days. And the good thing is 76% is non-followers and 23% are followers. Now, you might think that this is a bad thing, but I always think that if new people are discovering my content, that is a plus point for me. And you would see that although there's 1,318 accounts reached, the impressions are 2,972. So like I mentioned to you, most of the people who are following you, or maybe they are not following you, they do see your post more than once typically, and that is considered an impressions. And therefore, on average, I think there is about 2x impressions here. So typically, most people see my content twice. So I can scroll down and you would see that there are, by content type, my post is 940. I think this is impressions as well. 940 for post, 455 for reels, and 242 for stories. All right. And if you scroll down all the way, this says by top content. You can click on see all, and you might notice that there is a particular type of content that is doing better, and that is our reels. So our top performing reel is 242, and although the thumbnail was not done very well, I would say the exposure for this content was really good. And the other content that did really well was our this program that is ideas. It's called Ideas, Empowering Women, which is a free program. If you're interested, let me know in the chat or the comments. I would send you the link. And you can see this ChatGPT. Actually, it's not ChatGPT, it's Meta AI image prompting, where we created a reel as well. This had 298 views. Now, 298 views is not unique. The number of accounts that are unique are 152. So if I divide it back again, it's about 2x. Okay, typically people see it twice. And this insight is a little bit more interesting. 77% of people who saw this particular reel, this video, were our followers, and 23% are non-followers. Initial plays are 230, replays are 68. So that's also something that people are replaying just to get the information again or what was being said. So this is something that you can pay attention to. I usually pay attention to whether people save my post and my reel rather than likes, whether they share it, whether they comment, whether they save. So these are insights that I typically pay more attention to. So with this, it helps you to know what kind of content is performing. Another insight that I really like to pay attention to is when I click on professional dashboard. Okay, you can go back to professional dashboard. I like to click on this third item that says total followers. So for us, it's 1.1k followers. There is a dip. We do remove followers quite regularly, especially if they have never liked our content, never liked or commented, and they follow a lot of accounts. Their username is very generic. There's no profile picture. We typically remove them because it's affecting our organic performance. And if you know generally how insights or algorithms work, how social media platforms push your content is when your content is being pushed to a certain percentage of your followers, and if they do not open their Instagram accounts, they use it for research or whatever purposes, there are people like that, then your organic performance is not going to do well. And when your organic performance is not doing well, then guess what? Instagram takes the signal that your followers are not interested in your content. So this is affecting our overall organic performance. Okay, so I do remove followers a few, I think at least once a month. Sometimes I do it a little bit more regularly when I have a little bit more time. But I usually do 90 days for followers. And you can see that we have 22 follows and 36 unfollows. All right, don't worry about the unfollows. And if you scroll the way down, of course, if you are a Singapore based business, your followers should be, I think, more than 50% in Singapore. So try to work on that. All right, let me switch to countries. Yeah, it's kind of similar. And age range, so most of our followers are 25 to 34. That adds up to 37 plus 34 would be 71%. Okay, so most of our followers are 25 to 44 years old, and 50% are men, and so it's a half. But at the bottom it says most active times. I would like you to tap once. Okay, today is actually a Friday, so I'm just going to tweak this to Friday. And you see that most of our followers are online at 9 p.m. Now, recently I have this thought. If I always post at night and most of them are online at night, then only our followers who switch on their Instagram apps at night would see our posts. So sometimes I do schedule my posts for afternoon, which is 12 p.m. or 3 p.m. as well. Although they do not perform as well, but I think it's important to show up at a time where some of our followers are only using Instagram, say during lunch hours. Okay, and you can switch this up, but our insights are pretty consistent, and our most engaged followers are typically at 9 p.m. All right, so take a look at this, and if you want to, you can look at days. For us, there's really not much difference, but Tuesday currently is the highest, followed by Wednesday. So these are good days. All right, I wouldn't say that that's a lot of difference. There's only 10, 11 followers difference. So these are some insights that I will pay attention to: top performing content, and also the followers, what time they are online, so that I can schedule my posts. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this video has been helpful for you. If you have any other questions about insights, feel free to drop a comment. Happy to engage with you under the comments, and look forward to seeing you at our next video.